Welcome back to another English class with Mr. Lopez from home. I'm glad to have you back for another English class. Today we are going to continue our lesson, your mini lesson about healthcare. We are going to implement the vocabulary and what we practiced previously. Today we're going to do a little bit of role play, okay? You ready to start? Okay. Let's begin. So right now we're gonna go as usual to burlingtonenglish.com. You're gonna put your password, your username as usual, and then you're gonna select English in America for beginners. Click on it and wait until it loads. So how's everybody doing at home? I'm pretty sure the little ones are driving you crazy just like mine are. But that's part of life, right? Let's stay inside, stay safe. Okay, so now we're here in Module 7, against healthcare. We're going to continue with making an appointment with the doctor. Last time, we did a little bit of listening activities. So today, what we are going to do, we are going to do a little bit of role play. But before we do that, we are going to listen to this conversation and do a few activities together, okay? Are you ready to listen? Here we go.
Dr. Manning's office, Wendy speaking. Hello, this is Alec Mueller. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks? That's Wednesday, October 10th. Let me check. An appointment in the morning is better for me. The doctor is busy all morning. How about Wednesday afternoon? What time? 3:15. Yes, that's okay. How do you spell your last name, Alec? Mueller. So we'll see you on Wednesday, October 10th at 3:15. Okay, I wrote it down. See you then.
Let's listen to this one more time.
Dr. Manning's office, Wendy speaking. Hello, this is Alec Mueller. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks? That's Wednesday, October 10th. Let me check. An appointment in the morning is better for me. The doctor is busy all morning. How about Wednesday afternoon? What time? 3:15. Yes, that's okay. How do you spell your last name, Alec? Mueller. So we'll see you on Wednesday, October 10th at 3:15. Okay, I wrote it down. See you then.
So this conversation went like this. Let's repeat.
Dr. Manning's office, Wendy speaking.
Dr. Manning's office, Wendy speaking.
Hello, this is Alec Mueller.
Hello, this is Alec Mueller.
I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks? That's Wednesday, October 10th. Let me check.
An appointment in the morning is better for me.
An appointment in the morning is better for me.
The doctor is busy all morning.
The doctor is busy all morning.
How about Wednesday afternoon?
How about Wednesday afternoon?
What time?
What time?
3:15.
3:15.
Yes, that's okay.
Yes, that's okay.
How do you spell your last name, Alec?
How do you spell your last name, Alec?
Mueller.
Mueller.
So we'll see you on Wednesday, October 10th at 3:15.
So we'll see you on Wednesday, October 10th at 3:15.
Okay, I wrote it down. See you then.
Okay, I wrote it down. See you then. So Alec is making a doctor's appointment and he's speaking with Wendy. Wendy is the receptionist. Now, let's base in this conversation, let's do a few exercises, okay? Together. So, let's see if this is true or false. Alec wants to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning next week. Is this true or false? Alec wants to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning next week. Let's see. I like to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks. Not next week, but in 2 weeks. So this is false. Let's go to the next one. Alec wants an appointment in the morning. Is that true? Is it in the morning? In 2 weeks, Wendy says. That's Wednesday, October 10th. Let me check. An appointment in the morning is better for me. Alex said it's better in the morning. So the answer to question 2 to the statement, Alec wants an appointment in the morning, it's true. Let's go to the next question or the next statement. Alec's appointment is in the morning. The doctor is busy all morning, Wendy said. How about Wednesday afternoon? What time? Alec asked. Wendy says 3:15. So Alec's appointment is not in the morning. It's in the afternoon at 3:15. So the statement number 3, Alec's appointment is in the morning, is false. Let's go to the next statement. Alec will see the Dr. Manning on Wednesday in 2 weeks. Is that accurate? Yes, that's okay. How do you spell your name? She says, Alec will see Dr. Manning on Wednesday in 2 weeks. And in 2 weeks, that's Wednesday, October 10th. Let me check. Yes. So that is accurate. That is true. Alec will see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks. Let's check our answers. Correct. Alec wants to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning next week. Alec wants to, oh, no, I'm sorry. The first one is Alec wants to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks, no next week, 2 weeks. Number 2, Alec wants an appointment in the morning. Alec appointment is in the morning. Yes. It's false. It is in 3:15, correct? Alec will see Dr. Manning on Wednesday in 2 weeks. That is true. Very good. Let's go and do some, just choose, who do you want to be? Let's choose, I'll do Wendy. Let's do Wendy first, okay? So, I will play this. You and I will be Wendy, okay?
Dr. Manning's office, Wendy speaking. Hello, this is Alec Mueller. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks. That's Wednesday, October 10th. Let me check.
An appointment in the morning is better for me.
The doctor is busy all morning. How about Wednesday afternoon?
What time?
3:15.
Yes, that's okay.
How do you spell your last name, Alec?
U-E-L-L-E-R.
So we'll see you on Wednesday, October 10th at 3:15.
Okay, I wrote it down. See you then.
Okay? Let's go over again. Wendy says,
Dr. Manning's office, Wendy speaking.
Dr. Manning's office, Wednesday speaking. And Alex says,
Hello, this is Alec Mueller. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks.
and Wendy says,
In 2 weeks? That's Wednesday, October 10th. Let me check.
in 2 weeks, that's Wednesday, October 10th. Let me check. Then Alex says,
An appointment in the morning is better for me.
Wendy says,
The doctor is busy all morning.
the doctor is busy all morning.
How about Wednesday afternoon?
How about Wednesday afternoon? Alex says.
What time?
Wendy responds,
3:15.
3:15.
Yes, that's okay.
Wendy says,
How do you spell your last
How do you spell your last name, Alec?
Mueller.
Wendy says,
So we'll see you on Wednesday, October 10th at 3:15.
so we'll see you on Wednesday, October 10th at 3:15.
Okay, I wrote it down. See you then.
Okay, so now let's try to invert the guys and let's do Alec. Okay, we're going to be Alec and let's review.
Dr. Manning's office, Wendy speaking. Hello, this
It's
is
Alec Mueller. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks? That's Wednesday, October 10th. Let me check.
An appointment in the morning is better for me.
The doctor is busy all morning. How about Wednesday afternoon?
What time?
3:15.
Yes, that's okay.
How do you spell your last name, Alex?
Mueller.
So we'll see you on Wednesday, October 10th at 3:15.
Okay, I wrote it down. See you then. So let's review one more time. We are going to repeat Alex, okay?
Dr. Manning's office, Wendy speaking. Hello, this is Alec Mueller.
I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks? That's Wednesday, October 10th. Let me check. An appointment in the morning is better for me.
An appointment in the morning is better for me.
The doctor is busy all morning. How about Wednesday afternoon? What time?
What time?
3:15. Yes, that's okay.
Yes, that's okay.
How do you spell your last name, Alex?
Mueller.
So we'll see you on Wednesday, October 10th at 3:15. Okay, I wrote it down. See you then.
Okay, I wrote it down. See you then. Very good. So that was a little bit repetition, but we were able to practice our vocabulary. Now let's do one more activity. Let's do the role play together. First of all, we are going to fill in some phrases in this mini conversation that you guys are familiar. Our options are Mueller, Mueller. Yes, that's okay. I like to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks. An appointment in the morning is better for me. Okay, I wrote it down. See you then. So based on this, we're going to select these and plot them right where they belong. Wendy states, Dr. Manning's office, Wendy speaking. Hello, this is Alec Mueller. Which one would you put here? Mueller? Yes, that's okay. I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks. I believe this will be good. I like to make an appointment to see Dr. Manning in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, says Wendy. That's Wednesday, October 10th. Let me check. Then Alex says, Mueller, yes, that's okay. An appointment in the morning is better for me. I believe that's what he said, right? An appointment in the morning is better for me. Wendy says, the doctor's busy all morning. How about Wednesday afternoon? What time? Does Alex ask. Wendy says, 3:15. So Alex says, Mueller, yes, that's okay. Okay, I wrote it down. See you then. I believe he says, yes, that's okay. Wendy asks, how do you spell your last name, Alec? Would it be Mueller? Yes, I believe that's correct. Mueller. L E R. And finally, Wendy.